Hey there, animal lovers! Today, let's take a virtual trip to the picturesque villages of Switzerland where adorable animals live side by side with the locals. Picture this: lush green meadows, snow capped mountains, and the soft jingling of cowbells. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. First, stop the charming goats. These playful creatures are often found bounding around the hillsides, nibbling on grass and giving curious glances to passers-by. Some even have their own little houses decorated with colorful flowers. How cute is that? Next, let's say hello to the Valais black-nosed sheep with their curly wool and adorable black faces. These sheep are practically celebrities in Swiss villages. Villagers take great pride in caring for them, ensuring the sheep are well groomed and happy. And who can forget the iconic Swiss cows? These gentle giants are the heartbeat of many villages. Their milk is used to make some of the world's finest cheeses, and their relaxed demeanor perfectly matches the serene landscape. Plus, watching them graze in the fields is incredibly soothing. Not to be outdone, the Bernese mountain dogs also make their presence known. Originally bred to help with farm work, these fluffy giants are now beloved family pets. Their friendly and loyal nature makes them a favorite among villagers and visitors alike. Lastly, keep an eye out for the elusive Alpine marmot. These shy but curious creatures can often be seen sunbathing on rocks or darting into their burrows. Spotting one feels like discovering a little secret of the mountains. So, if you ever find yourself in a Swiss village, take a moment to appreciate the incredible bond between these animals and the locals. It's a heartwarming reminder of the simple joys in life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more animal adventures.